starting with 11.0 of the software, we are providing the ability for you to administratively change the time period of a service agreement once it's sold to a customer. So here I am on this customer record, and I can see I have a service agreement from the 5th of November 2020 to 2021. So this came up a lot, especially in 2020 with the coronavirus, people extending out the length of their service agreements. This also comes up if somebody cancels, they buy it, and then a couple months later they cancel it. So how do you change the end dates, or maybe you just want to manipulate the dates to be whatever you want them to be. So all you got to do is you can come in here and click Edit. And then from here, you now see that the period from and the period to, basically the start and end dates, are changeable. So I could come in here and say, okay, well, you know, that this person canceled, or, you know, I only want a 6-month agreement, whatever the situation may be. Now, please note, so let's go ahead, we'll go ahead and save that. Now, please note, while the time frame of the service agreement changed, it did not impact the tune-ups. So here in this example, I ended this in a couple weeks from the 5th on the 20th, but the service agreement tune-ups for next year are still active. So if you need to close those down, then you handle them however you need to handle them for your situation, whether you're going to delete them, whatever that may be. So the changing of the dates has no bearing on the tune-ups. So let's talk through another couple of examples. So if you want to extend it, so let's say you extend it and it extends out another 6 months, so it's really a year and a half. Well, in that case, again, we're not touching the tune-up, so we're not going to create another tune-up. So if you want them to have the agreement longer, great, but it's not going to then generate another tune-up. So again, the decision was made to just leave the tune-up separate from the dates themselves. So what will happen is when you change this date, you'll have access through this date. So if this is the 5th of November right now, but let's just say it was the 20th, and I just cancel it as of today. So as of today, this will be the last date for the service agreement. Then starting tomorrow on the 21st, then the person will not have any of the benefits of the service agreement, i.e. the discounted pricing. So that's going to happen automatically. So the software is judging it based upon this date and nothing else. Now, to activate this is a setting. So we have to go in and activate the setting. So let's go to settings. And then we'll go to service agreement general settings. And then allow admins to change the start and end date of the service agreement after it's created. I have to change that to yes, and then save, and then you'll be all set. This is a company-wide setting.